Hello, today we will guide you through how to download image dataset from Kaggle. To begin, open your web browser and go to Kaggle. Kaggle is a popular platform for datasets, machine learning projects, and data science resources, so it's a great place to find image datasets for practice, research, or model training. Once the Kaggle homepage loads, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Data Hub. This section is where Kaggle organizes its data-related resources, making it easier to browse what's available. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to notice the layout, since knowing where the data tools are can save time in future searches. After entering Data Hub, click on Datasets. This will take you to the main Datasets area, where you can explore a wide range of downloadable collections. Kaggle hosts many different dataset types, so moving into the dedicated datasets section helps narrow your focus and make searching much easier. Next, find the search bar and type in image. This search term will bring up image-related datasets, which is useful if you're specifically looking for pictures for computer vision tasks, classification projects, or general experimentation. After entering the keyword, review the search results that appear on the page. From the results, select the sample image dataset shown in the list. In this example, you're choosing a specific image dataset from the available options. When selecting a dataset, it's always a good idea to quickly check that the title matches what you need, since Kaggle often shows many similar results. This helps make sure you download the correct dataset for your project. Once you open the dataset page, move to the top right area of the screen and click the download button. This is the final step that starts the download process. Depending on your browser settings, the file may begin downloading immediately, or you may be asked where you want to save it on your computer. After the download starts, wait for it to complete before opening the file. Most Kaggle datasets are downloaded as compressed files, so you may need to extract them before using the images. Be sure to save the dataset somewhere easy to find, especially if you plan to use it in a notebook, training pipeline, or image labeling workflow later. That's all it takes to download an image dataset from Kaggle. Follow these same steps anytime you want to search for and download other datasets from the platform.